Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to enable app install security check on Android phone without any stress. This feature is very much important, most especially if you are the type that usually download apps from different sources. Make sure you turn on this particular security check. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone master. So I'm going to click on my phone master right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from your phone. Click on that. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn this particular button off. Risky app alert. So turn it on. By turning this particular button on, it simply means that each time you install any apps, whether from Play Store or from APK app, if the app has been infected with virus, you will be notified and instantly you can remove the app from your phone without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable apps install security check on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.